Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic: how to survive a tsunami. Tsunamis are powerful and destructive natural disasters. But with the right knowledge and preparedness, you can increase your chances of staying safe. So, let's dive right in. Let's talk about understanding tsunamis before we get into survival tips. It's crucial to understand what a tsunami is. A tsunami is a series of massive ocean waves caused by the displacement of a large volume of water, typically triggered by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or underwater landslides. Let's explain the causes and mechanisms of tsunamis. Discuss the warning signs, such as strong ground shaking, a sudden and significant recession of water from the shoreline, or the sound of an approaching train. Emphasize the importance of staying informed through local authorities. Tsunami warning systems and emergency alerts. Now we talk about preparing for a tsunami. Being prepared is the key to surviving a tsunami. Let's go through some essential steps to take before a tsunami occurs. Develop an emergency plan. Create a detailed plan with your family or household members, including evacuation routes, meeting points, and communication methods. Assemble an emergency kit. Include essential items like non-perishable food, water, first aid supplies, batteries, a battery-powered radio, flashlights, and personal documents. Identify safe zones. Research and locate the nearest high ground or tsunami evacuation zone. Be aware of the designated routes to reach these areas quickly. Secure your home. Reinforce doors and windows. Secure heavy furniture to the walls, and shut off utilities if time permits. Now let's talk about during a tsunami. During a tsunami, remaining calm and acting quickly is crucial. Here's what you need to do when a tsunami is imminent. Follow evacuation orders. If authorities issue a tsunami warning or evacuation order, leave immediately. Do not wait or underestimate the danger. Move to higher ground. Head to your predetermined safe zone or the nearest elevated area. Remember, the goal is to reach higher ground as quickly as possible. Avoid low-lying areas and coastal zones. Stay away from beaches, harbors, and other areas close to the shoreline. Tsunamis can cause multiple waves, so do not return until officials deem it safe. Stay informed. Keep a battery-powered radio or smartphone with you to listen for updates and instructions from local authorities. After a tsunami. Once the tsunami has passed, it's essential to be cautious during the aftermath. Here's what you should do. Proceed with caution. Be aware of potential hazards like debris, damaged infrastructure, and possible secondary waves. Do not enter buildings or structures that are visibly damaged. Check for injuries and provide first aid. Attend to any injuries and seek medical help if needed. Use your emergency kit supplies as necessary. Listen for official updates. Continue to stay tuned to emergency broadcasts for information on the situation, possible aftershocks, and when it's safe to return to affected areas. Document damages. Take photos or videos of the damage for insurance claims, and to assist authorities in their assessments. Remember, survival during a tsunami relies on preparedness, staying informed, and acting promptly. Understanding the warning signs. Having a plan in place. And knowing where to go are all crucial steps. We hope that this guide has provided you with valuable information. Note: it's important to note that every situation is unique, and following instructions from local authorities and emergency management agencies should always take precedence. Stay safe, and until next time. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference when it comes to surviving a tsunami. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.